Good morning kids, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine. I am Anju KP from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in previous class, I gave you an introduction on uppercase letter I. So today we are going to do an activity on uppercase letter I. So before starting the activity, let us revise uppercase letter I on board with the help of these pictures. Okay, so let's start. So kids, tell me, what is this? This is an ice cream. What is this? This is an ice cream. I for an ice cream. What is this? This is an iron. What is this? This is an iron. I for an iron. What is this? This is an ink pot. What is this? This is an ink pot. I for an ink pot. What is this? This is an igloo. What is this? This is an igloo. I for an igloo. What is this? This is an insect. What is this? This is an insect. I for an insect. So let's start the activity. Kids, tell me now, what is this? This is uppercase letter I. What is this? This is uppercase letter I. So paste this uppercase letter like this. Okay? Okay kids? Now kids, tell me, what are these? These are eyes. What are these? These are eyes. Eyes of an insect. So paste it here like this. Okay kids? Like this. Now kids, what is this? This is a nose. What is this? This is a nose. Nose of an insect. Paste it like this here. Okay kids? So kids, what are these? These are antennae. What are these? These are antennae. Antennae of an insect. So paste it like this. Okay? Like this. Okay kids? Now kids, what are these? These are legs. Legs of an insect. So paste it like this. So kids, how many legs do an insect have? Yes, they have 6 legs. Okay? So paste it like this. Okay kids? Like this. So kids, what is this? This is an insect. What is this? This is an insect. I for an insect. Okay? I hope you enjoy this activity. Do this activity and paste it in your craft book like this. Okay kids? Have a good day. Bye bye.